Dow and 2 friends. But the table next door has just got 3 ladies there munching down snails and having a beer. And I'll turn this around this way. That's the snail shop over there. So we've got one more lady coming. We've got the Queen of Beer here. And it's snails and beer, but that's what they do on a Friday night. 3 ladies leave the husband's home and go and have beer in it. Ordering up for the round 3 of the Snail Fest. She's looking at what looks juicy, and then she's going to tell the snail girl there to hook them up. I'm surprised we haven't had oysters yet, but the night is still young. Oh, she's called for reinforcements. I know. I don't know where she's going. Oh, she's washing her hands. Okay. Dow's asking, is anyone hungry? Snail girl selling more snails. Here we've got a choice of probably about 20 different types of snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 types of snails. I think there's oysters over the back there. We're having oysters that are grilled over here in front of us. And of course the fridge is well stocked back there. So that's how you buy snails in We're on the way home from Snails and Beer, and we've pulled up at the local convenience store. Basically what happens here is you just pull up out the front and you say, you scream out the window to them, we need toilet paper, and the man runs inside, gets the toilet paper and brings it out to us. So here he comes now. Job done. Don't even have to get out of the car. It's simple. Come on, come on. Perfect. Thank you. We have toilet paper, a lot, so we're ready for the morning.